How to turn off or on HomePage on your Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off HomePage on your Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google. Now click on those 3 points up there and click on Setting. Scroll down and click on HomePage, and here you can turn off this option or turn it on wherever you want. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget also to like.